For a long time, I believed no one ever truly cared about me. People came and left. Promises disappeared like rain on glass. But one day, everything changed. And the person who changed my life did it without even knowing. It was a cold Tuesday, the kind of morning where the sky feels heavy and the world seems tired. I woke up late, missed my bus, spilled my coffee. Everything went wrong. But when I arrived at work, my phone buzzed. A message from someone I barely noticed. "Are you okay?" I just felt something was wrong. It was John, a quiet coworker who always sat at the far corner desk. His message made me freeze. How could someone notice when even I didn't say anything? That day, I started observing him, and suddenly I noticed things I never paid attention to. When I entered the room, he always looked up, just for a second. When I forgot my lunch, somehow extra food appeared on the table. When I felt sad, he didn't ask questions. He just sat near me, silently, like a soft warmth. He never said much, never tried to impress me, but his small actions felt like someone placing gentle hands on a broken heart. I didn't understand it then. Not yet. One evening, it started raining heavily. I walked home alone, cars rushed past, lights reflected on the wet road, and then a loud sound, a sudden push. Someone grabbed my arm and pulled me back before a car passed too close. It was John. He was soaked, breathing hard, his voice shaking. "Emma, you didn't see the car." But I saw something else. His eyes. They held fear. Real fear. The kind you have when you think you might lose someone important. We stood under a small shop roof when the rain fell like silver strings. I whispered, "Why did you follow me?" He looked away. Then, softly, like the truth was too heavy, "Because I care. More than I should." The world stopped. Cars, rain, lights, everything blurred. No one ever said that to me. Not like that. Not with that kind of honesty. I felt something warm growing inside my chest. Something I thought was gone forever. Later that night, I replayed everything in my mind. The messages, the quiet protection, the soft attention, the accident, the fear in his eyes. And for the first time, I realized something powerful. Love isn't always loud. Sometimes it is the quietest person doing the biggest things without expecting anything back. Someone had loved me, truly, silently, deeply, long before I even sought it. The next morning, I walked into the office with a calmness I hadn't felt in years. John was at his usual desk, quietly typing, pretending he didn't notice me. But this time, I noticed him. He looked up, surprised. For the first time ever, I smiled at him the way someone smiles at the person who saved their life. I whispered, "John, would you like to walk home together today?" His eyes softened. A small, hopeful smile grew on his face, the kind of smile someone hides for too long. He nodded gently. "Yeah, I'd really like that. And for the first time in a long time, the world didn't feel heavy. It felt warm, safe, soft. As we walked side by side that evening, I realized something simple and beautiful. Some people enter our lives like light through a broken window, gently, beautifully, and forever changing the way we see the world.